Hi, Collective. How's it going? I hope you're fantastic. I am well. I'm going to pull on the energies for you today. And there's this crow squawking at me in the background. And what it's telling me, there's just one, is there's one person still working on trying to manipulate people to your disadvantage. Like, they're either talking smack about you still, or maybe possibly doing some kind of black magic, actual magic. But regardless, I only hear that one crow. I don't think there's no other people listening to him anymore. There's definitely no one else that is continuing to contribute to your demise. That's over. Yeah, they got the message. Some sort of message has gotten across to people that you're not to be messed with. Your ancestors have been working overtime to get the word out that chosen ones are not to be messed with. And people, for the most part, are getting the idea, except for that one bird. Your ancestors are showing up big time here. Oops. You've not only got tons of protection, but they're working on bringing down the groups that were trying to hinder your progress forward. Could be somebody 40 here or 35. Yeah, your ancestors are ensuring, here's the crow. They're ensuring your healing during these times of magic and manipulation to try to bring you down, to try to stop you, so that they could take advantage of that in one way or another. Or this person could that's still squawking. The other ones have gotten the message that they've either learned their lesson, karma's gotten them, or they're realizing that karma is a real thing at this point, and they don't want any more smoke. Number 19 could be significant. Yeah, they were just trying to paint illusions so that people couldn't see who you really were, and so that people would inadvertently attack you during your time of healing, which is forbidden. These people are being summoned to the lower world by the ancestors for doing they've been caught doing moon magic. Maybe, I don't know how many times they've been caught, but they were caught again. Must have been on this last full moon, or maybe for the new moon coming up, or both. All right. Let's do this. Actually, no. I'm gonna get some Kipper. Get a few details about this straggler that's not falling into divine plan to leave you alone to your healing at this time. You're being protected by the lower world as well as the upper world. You're being protected by a wealthy man somehow. A wealthy man that is somehow connected to this crow in the house. Clarify the wealthy man in the house. Unexpected income. So this wealthy man left you a house and possibly some money that this crow knew about. There's also a main male involved. And sudden wealth. This main male was looking for some kind of get-rich-quick scheme here and somehow got involved with this crow and went down the wrong pathway. 111. There's a new beginning here for you. In 1313, major protection. And 13 is, what is 13? Isn't that the death card? It's a new beginning. It's a transformation. And there's something happening in the courthouse with this crow and this main male. All right. Drive and power, Mars energy. Yeah, this main male and this crow were going for power. That was their driving force. Drive and power. Scorpio energy, the mystic. You could see straight through their BS. Maybe not in the beginning when this wealthy male was in the picture, but now you can. You know they're up to something. Leo, the extrovert. You've also stopped withholding information about these people, the crow and the main male. You're not keeping it a secret, their attacks on you. You're letting the world know who you are, what you're about. Conjunction, fusion, and energy. You're putting your energy, you're taking your energy out of this toxic environment, or you've taken your energy out of this toxic environment, and you're putting it into pursuits that help you to evolve. That help you to rise above this whole situation so that you don't get burned by it. Tension and opposites in Capricorn. These people, the crow and the main male, have always had tension with you. If you were to look at you, if someone were to see you from the outside, they would consider you as like the complete opposite of these people. They could have learned a lot from you. Sagittarius, the world explorer. And here you are spreading your wings, expanding. you know, expanding physically throughout the world or expanding on the World Wide Web. You're expanding. Capricorn, the boss. You're expanding your soul so you can fit into the shoes of this leader position that you're stepping into. Yeah, this leadership position that's going to include communication and interaction with people in the world in the 3rd house. All right. Let's pull some tarot. There's this little puppy next door. It sounds like a banshee. It's just the weirdest thing ever. I've never heard a dog sound like that when it barks. It's insane. It's about 2 pounds or something. Little teeny tiny dogs. They're pretty cute. All right. Yeah, it is 13. Death. There's a transformation to this situation. What they were doing is not, it's quieting out, it's dying out, and it's transforming into something new, which is basically them getting their karma and you getting yours. They're being dealt with by the lower world, and you're being dealt with by the upper world. Well, and the lower world also helps you. You have kinship in both worlds. King of Cups. You're an empath. You're highly emotionally evolved. You're tapped in. You're an old soul, you know, like this turtle. They live forever. 8 of Cups. You've completely walked away from this situation, and you've made a decision to find love elsewhere. Right now, you're keeping love to yourself with this King of Cups energy, but you have tons of love in your heart, and you are looking to make a decision on where to take your love next, you know? Finding your soul family. Finding people that truly appreciate appreciate you for more than the money they can steal from you. Like, see your value as a soul and not as a bank account. We get 3 of Pentacles here. You're working on your business. You're working on starting a spiritually minded business. And it's possible that you're connecting with someone else to help you. Or a group of people to help you even. The Emperor. You're the boss, the CEO of this new company this new spiritually based company that you're working on. You're the boss, the leader. And it's going to catapult you into this King of Pentacles energy where you have everything you need. And you have plenty to help others. You can use your big heart and your pocketbook to be able to help others. 6 of Cups. There's a lot of pleasure and happiness that's coming in out of this situation you had to walk away from. The Death card is one door opens, as one door closes, another one opens. As death brings a rebirth of joy and pleasure and love in your life. Possibly, if you're single, possibly even a choice in lovers. Page of Wands, you've got good news coming in. Coming from a fox. It's quick. Could be deceptive though, right? You have to use your discernment going into the future to decide on if these people are part of this Six of Cups soul family that you've been calling in, or are they more of the variety of this main male and Crow, so you can keep the drama out of your life. You get Six of Coins. Reciprocity's coming in. Equal give and take. You're leaving this black hole of energy, I should say, devoid of energy, for this life springing new energy, new love, and just being fulfilled and starting a new journey as the Fool with all your cups full. This is beautiful, collective. I'm going to call it there. You all have a wonderful day, and I will get back to you soon. Thank you.